Do you want to be as cool as the members on Hermitcraft with proximity voice chat in Minecraft? Or do you want to run around like headless chickens with your friends on a server? Well, then look no further, this video is for you. So, the way we're gonna do this is we're gonna be needing a couple of things. So first off, I will have links for all these websites down in the description below. And yeah, first off, we'll need the Simply Voice Chat mod, and we are going to be focusing on the Fabric mod version, the Fabric version of it, because that is pretty new. I've already have a video up that explains you how to install the Forge version, but the Fabric version is a lot smoother, and yeah, it just works a lot better. So we're going to concentrate on that today. First of all, we're going to download this one, 116.5. If you want to use it 116.4, if you have a server running in 116.4, do that. But for this video, we're going to go with a 116.5. I already have the files downloaded, but yeah, I'm just going to show you which one it is. Then the other thing you will need is Fabric. And you will actually be needing two things from Fabric. You will need the normal Fabric mod, and you'll need the Fabric API. Basically, Fabric API allows you to run a lot of different mods. Basically, 80% of all Fabric mods need the Fabric API to be able to load the mod. And yeah, that is basically it. So we have the three jar files right here. And yeah, to start off with, we're just going to install the install Fabric for Minecraft. So I'm just going to do it through the installer. 116.5. We are going to take the latest version, just install. There you go. And that is it. Great. Let's go and check it out. And you can see you already have a new installation right here. And we're going to just load that one off to start with. So it extracts all the files and all that before we install the mod and the voice chat mod and the Fabric API. There you go. Now it's installed. Now let's quit the game again. What you want to do is press Windows key R. You will get the run command up, and then what you want to type in the field is %appdata%. There you go. Go into your Minecraft folder. You will go into mods, and then we'll start off by placing the Fabric API to start with. I do it one at a time, and it's just because I've had sometimes some experience where the mod would basically break if you add too many mods at the same time. You can just dump them in straight away, but it's just an old habit, and yeah, I'm just gonna do that for this video as well. So now it's in. Let's try and load that to start with, and it's installed. Let's go out again. And then we are going to be pasting in the voice chat mod as well. And let's try and open that again. There you go. All right, so let's just create a new world. It doesn't really matter. We're just going to put it in. It doesn't really matter. It's basically just to show you guys. Great. And you will see down in the left corner, there is kind of like a plug that is crossed over with a red bar, basically indicating that the mod is actually installed, but voice chat unavailable. Why is that? Well, we are in a single player world, so it doesn't really make any sense having a voice chat mod installed on a single player world. So it will, of course, only work in a multiplayer world. And next step is installing the mod onto your server. So let's do that. For this video, I am going to be using one of my servers on Nodecraft. This video is not sponsored by Nodecraft. I will, on the other hand, be leaving a affiliated link down in the description, which will give you guys a 30% off on your first month. I think also they have a special deal right now that you get 50% off. But yeah, the cool thing with Nodecraft, they have like a one-click installer, and I will just be doing a completely fresh install of Fabric, 116.5. And we're going to fresh install and burn the server to the ground. So we're just going to do that. There you go. To start things off with, we're just going to launch the server with the Fabric mod installed. It will just extract all the files so we can actually have a mods folder where we can drag and drop the other mods that we need to use. All right, there you go. Server is now configured. Everything is now extracted. Everything is installed. Server is working. But we do not have the mods installed yet. So what we're going to do, we are going to be adding Fabric API to the server. There you go. That done. We're just going to restart the server. Yes. There you go, server's up and running. What we're gonna do now is upload the voice mod. Here you go, restart the server again. And while the server is restarting, we might as well launch Minecraft. And here you go. As you guys can see, now when I'm talking, you will see a little mic pop up in the left corner of the screen. Basically, to pop up the configuration settings of this mod, press V on your keyboard, and you will be presented with the voice chat settings menu. Here you can choose between push to talk, or you can choose between the activation type. That's what I'm using right now. If you want to use push to talk, if you want to change the button, which is by default caps lock, just go into control, scroll all the way down, and then just change the button right here. Yeah, then what you can do is you can select your microphone. If you have several microphones bound to your computer, like myself, you have to just go through them. I'm using my audio interface, which is the Behringer right here. And then you can also select the speaker, depending on if you have loudspeakers or headphones. Sometimes the mod just chooses whatever random thing. So sometimes you just have to help it and then choose whatever you use. And then you can test your microphone. So let's here. You guys can hear me. I'm talking. Blah, 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 blah. And let's disable that. And then you can also change the volume of it. Sometimes the microphone amplification can be pretty loud for your friends. So it takes a bit of fine tuning in the beginning. I play on a server where we have it installed, and we had a lot of people that had to fine tune theirs because they were super, super loud on other people's end. So yeah. And that is basically it. You can also adjust the volume of other players, but I'm alone on the server at the moment, so I can't really test that right here. And that's basically how you install this mod. So before ending this video, I just want to let you guys know that I am not the creator of this mod. I am not the most technical person, so if you guys need any help, I'll leave the mod page down in the description below. Basically that has a troubleshoot page and all that thing, so go check that out if you have any issues. Some server providers will have you forced to forward your port. With Nodecraft, you don't need to do it. It all functions from the beginning. Please don't ask me any questions about how to do that, because I don't know how to do that. Basically, you just have to, try and Google how to forward a port on a server and stuff like that. And yeah, that's basically it. If you guys need any help to how to install Fabric onto your server or onto your server, make sure to check out. There's several videos on how to do that if you are hosting a server on your computer and all that. I just had the luxury that I have a server hosting company that I could use a server from, and yeah, which makes it super easy. And that's also why I really do recommend Nodecraft. That said, I am partnered up with Nodecraft. This video is not sponsored by Nodecraft, but again, I will leave a affiliate link down in the description below. Basically, if you guys use that, I get a little kickback from whenever you guys use it. But you also do get a 30% off your first month of your server. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and this tutorial. And yeah. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys are going to use this voice mod for. And I'll be looking forward to hear what you guys thought about the video.